Hello, I hope you all have been well. I've been taking some time off to get a 4.0 this semester in school. I'm back to day trading, and today's ticker that I traded personally was LEDS. Here was my plan real time in my Discord, where I talked about shorting this ticker at 9:42, getting in 11.5, and my target price was $8, and my initial stop loss price was 12.7. So I did cut out early, 11.66, pretty much the FOMO, and that was my mistake because based off the chart, we can tell 11.5 is much higher than the previous current price of $9.20. I would say that in 9:30 to 10 o'clock, there's going to be a lot of volume, and that is why I need to be more patient and just stick to the position size calculator telling me to short at 11.5 and hold till 12.7, and all the $300 I'm risking is going to be on the table. However, I am confident in that $9 or $8 will be hit before 12.7. So when I'm trading this, I was really just looking at the 5-day, 5-minute a lot because I noticed how this stock was a couple days ago, last week, around $4 a share, was able to spike up a lot and squeeze a lot of people who did short. But I figured that this morning would be a perfect opportunity to get in relatively near the highs like it was on Thursday of last week's action, and all the people that shorted maybe bought here or were squeezed out early on. So I'm like 11.5 should be a decent entry, and it does look like it is. However, I was in the mindset of I was up a little bit here and then it went all the way up, and I just saw these green candles coming along and I saw how quickly it squeezed last week, so I was like, I'll cut the loss. However, knowing my levels of 12.7, I have to be disciplined and be willing to let this stock breathe with how much it moves and how much volume really there was trading in this morning session from 9:30 to 10. And knowing that, it can give me an opportunity for a bigger return to the downside as it hit 10 within the next hour, and then it's been trending all day just for this sell off into close to almost $9 a share. And knowing that the last several weeks I've been taking off where all these stocks were just shooting up out of nowhere, these penny stocks, just to return and retrace all those gains. So I would make a video on just all of them, but at the same time, I'd rather just go over the one that happened today and the one I traded just to keep things simple, and also target you all who like the short tickers like this one because you see the opportunity when it's up in the last 5 days around 300% or more, and it can retrace back 30, 40, 50% in 2 or 3 day time. And I think that being more disciplined and just sticking to the position size calculator, which is the same mistake I was making before, but at least getting back into it and trying to make a trade and just showing that the gap up short has potential because it has retraced not just to the pre-market seems like lows here, but it's finding new support, which was $9, but we can see $8 tomorrow, which would have been a really big win. But at the same time, you have to understand I was risking a decent amount to kind of break even today, and that next time I'll be more likely to try and hold and realize that this squeeze is insignificant to the overall move, which should be down and for the bears. So just a little recap on LEDS. The Discord is absolutely free. We do talk about these tickers, so send me an email and we can get you in here, and we can include the position size calculator, and it just helps for making trades and sticking to a plan, because honestly there's two things involved in this. It's the gut reaction of getting in and pretty much just sticking to the plan from there. Thanks for taking the time to watch this quick recap video. Look forward to trying to make a winning trade tomorrow.